XIBLISS manual coffee mill grinder with ceramic burrs, with stainless steel handle and silicone Cove coffee container capacity 12 ounces 350 milliliters black. Lengthen stainless steel handle saves your effort when grinding beans. More enjoyable for the fun for grinding coffee beans. The base of the grinder is coated with a rubber which can prevent the grinder from moving. When it is ground.The high-quality ceramic burr has better properties and therefore can keep the coffee safer and healthier. Ceramic burr will not add heat during grinding. The coffee mill can be used for a longer time and keeps the original flavor of coffee, which is the best choice for coffee lovers. The coffee grinder is adjustable, very easy to control, and helps you get coffee fine or rough, depending on your preferences. The coffee mill can disassemble into parts. All the parts are washable, no limit. The design of the glass jars is more convenient to keep powders or beans during traveling or small party with friends. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.